pretty close. Didn't quite give me what I wanted, so I had to pass on that long for the ES. Just not gonna touch that if it doesn't. Again, A+ trades. That's what I'm looking for, guys. I want to see stochastics oversold for a long. I want to see it coming from a zone. Ideally, that'd be awesome if the 89 was there with it. Maybe a little W. I want to see a perfect trade. I want to see the bar cross inside the HMAs when they start to cross. Nice little hook and stochastics. I want to see all that happen at the same time. Or I'm gonna pass on the trade this morning. That's all there is to it. Just like this one. Not a bad long trade. And I did say there's a long coming. I just didn't think it was gonna be that soon.
Oh shoot! There's my.
Did anybody grab the long other than Lulu? Nice. PBR, good job. Green Jeans got okay, good job, guys. D Nice got along, good job. Green Jeans, D Nice. Again, for the experience, and don't get FOMO, guys. Those of you that are struggling, don't get FOMO.
Boom.
There's some good traders in this club. There's some really good traders. You cannot compare yourself to somebody else as a trader. You have to do your own thing and create your rules as a trader that suit your personality and what you do. Can't do it. Stops on the ES, guys, at I would use 11, 64.11 as a stop right now. And you're shooting for 20 at this point. Right here around R1 might be a little bit of a wiggle point, but you're still in, right? D Nice. Green G's, I'm assuming you're out already.
And there you go. Winner on the 77. Anybody take it? 277 short on NQ.
That
is winner.
Which all called that well in advance, people.
Called it well in advance.
Well in advance.
I said if it got to either one of those two things, I would take it.
I think all morning long you called it. Called it. And if you don't understand that trade call,
PBR. Man.
If none of you, well, he's made money already.
Yeah, that's true. All right, Jim, that would have worked too, right? I think. Coach Brian, would that
nice?
Would that have been in Jim's?
What?
That 277 short? Would that have been in Jim? No, because it's counter, right? You don't have him doing that.
It's counter.
Okay, never mind. I was going to say
he's not doing counter right.
All right, well, if anybody else took it, it was a winner.
For him right now, we have a very well played out plan for Jock.
Yeah, that's cool.
And
all
very
good.
well laid out plan with action items and everything for him. Let's keep it that simple for now. I gotta get him in the right frame of mind. Look at my stops, people. Could you imagine that having proper stop plan works? Yeah, no NQ for Jock out for now. All right, D Nice. You can go up to leave it at 11 for now. Actually, you could probably, if it comes back down, makes a wonky M. That last little rejection when it was on the way up. If you need to be tighter, 12 is an okay stop for now because if it comes and takes 12 this time, it's going to go all the way back down and take 11 stops. So 12 is a good stop now, guys. It's behind both of those little indecision candles on its way up. All right, you guys are going to be done this morning. Be nice, we'll be. She's like, I'm going back to bed.
Look at that NQ go.
Here comes the 20 to 22 area. What's that?
I said they're going now.
Say that again.
I said they're going now. Am I on mute?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll make sure I'm not on mute.
No. I just didn't hear what you said. For some reason, it blanked out for a second. It could be on my end too.
No trades right now.
Don't FOMO, guys. We'll get opportunities.
If you didn't take that 77 short, no
guys
trades.
That are in the trade. All right, you can use 1325, or if you need to be a little tighter, 1375 is a good stop. Sorry, excuse me, not 1375. 16 is a better stop. Forgive me. 16 is a better stop. Good morning, Elliot.
Morning,
Good
Elliot.
morning, person. He said, "Good morning, people. Good morning, person." Elliot, we need to talk at some point, bud. We should talk at some point. We got to circle back to what we were talking about a while back. So if you're in a prop account, again, if it breaks above this level I have right here, guys, I have to look at being a buyer. Just have to. It's just
like a little pullback on the ES would be nice, and the NQ.
You would think that would come from this area.
I mean,
so if you have to be tighter on your stop from using a prop account, you could be at 19.25 on the stop on the ES. If you're a prop account, you want to be a little tighter. 19.25 is a good stop. If not, oh, I just found a little doji. That's 19 is a good stop actually. Never mind, because if it ticks out 19, it's going all the way back down anyway. So, and if you tick higher now your stop is at 2025, and you've officially locked in a big time runner. Good job, D Nice. Congratulations for being done for the morning.
Nice.
Huh?
It is, Scott. Just switch back and forth, Scott. Sometimes it takes a little bit to come on. Just switch to another screen and then come back to it and wait a second. It'll appear. Mine did the same thing.
Great job. D Nice, Green Jeans. D Nice, Green Jeans. Anybody else who grabbed that long call after the open here?
Come on back to 77 for long.
I mean, literally, look at that. You had the long exactly at 6 minutes after the open. Huh. Imagine that. Waiting 6 minutes. All right. Let me look at the screen again. I like that 2025 stop for now. Give me a little pullback here so I can get a little buy signal. It's 9:44. We got a few minutes before Powell comes on, so we could try to take a look at this. And like I said, A+ trades for me only. One thing I might be keen on looking at, let me look around the board here. I might be keen on looking at a reversal for the NQ. Actually, probably should look at a money line trade, to be honest with you.
I was going to say 277 long looks good if it comes back there. If it comes back there.
And that would correlate pretty well with money line.
Close with the money line, yeah.
I'd give that one a shot if that happens.
You got a lot of things lining up.
I'm going to turn that on for the tick. Now you got this is fun stuff.
She gone again. You can forget that 77.
2025 still stop. Yep. I'm going to turn that off. And it depends on how I still like that 2025 stop for now, but you could use, if you want to be a little tighter, you could use dealer's choice 2125, or you got a little basing back here at 2350. That's a good stop. Actually, now 2350 is a good stop. Here I am sitting on the sidelines, just watching, giving you guys stops. That's great. Good job. Are you still in it, D Nice? This is a day done trade for you.
Yeah, that's a beautiful
Green
trade.
Jeans, you still getting a piece of it? Nice, D Nice. I'm assuming Green Jeans is still getting a piece of the ES here too.
Nice,
Lulu. Oh, Lulu was long a while ago. Are you still in, Lulu? Or are you flat now?
Lulu's a machine, man. She's insane. Love it. Love it.
Great job, guys. All right, see you, Lulu.
Green on 4 PAs. Nice.
Nice. Nice, perfect.
Nice. Awesome. You guys go away. It's Friday.
Good job, buddy.
There's your get green. Get going.
Get on out of here. Go on. Get on here. Here. You guys are flat on the ES now. I'm looking for things. Here's your gong. Get out of here, people. Great job. Great job. D Nice. Dorian, Lulu. Great job. Get on out of here. Go on. Great job, people. Have a great weekend. Have some fun. See you guys back.
Come on back.
Dorian. Have a great one. Have a great week. Thank you, Dorian. Great job, guys. That's the way to end the week right there. The double runner. Way to go. Thank you, Dorian. Yep. I'm just going to wait here for A+ trade to just pass on because I was helping you guys congratulate your trade. I didn't like it being from the middle there. Although, I guess a little bit of a retest, consolidate right here. I just didn't have the exact specifications I wanted. That long.
Nice, Isaac. Man, you had 11 trades already?
Nice, Isaac.
Wow. Or is that across all your accounts? It's like, good Lord, it's a lot of trades for this morning.
Probably trade copying or something.
It must be trade copying, yeah. I've had one trade up $300. That's it. $319. That's all. But I'm okay with that. It's Friday. I can care less. If that's all I get, I will go home with, I will go away with a smile on my face. Not putting up the numbers you guys are putting up. Jeez. One day I might be like you guys.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
I love it.
Someday I'll get there. Someday. All right, NQ. Nothing going on right now. I couldn't even tell you what I would do next at this point. But wait. It has to. Nice, PBR. You might want to call that a day, PBR. Enjoy your Friday, man. You've had a good week.
Buddy.
And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why I say that.
Right?
Me? I've had a great week. PBR.
No, I meant PBR.
Oh yeah, no.
I know you've had a good week.
I mean, the thing about what I like about PBR is
you both had a good week.
Yeah, he walked yesterday when he wasn't feeling it, which was awesome. That to me is a win. It's a huge win. Huge win.
Let's get that. Good job, PBR. Yeah, because he didn't do that before. He'd flip his desk.
Right. Before he'd have just kept trading those things into a blown account.
Desk.
So, and he flipped the desk, kicked the
Great
dog,
job, PBR.
shoot the cat, dude. Whatever.
It'd be burning his desk in the outdoor fire.
That's right. Burning the desk, throwing the computer in on the fire.
Did anybody? I didn't call that long on the ES there, but it turned out to be a decent one. Now, what I would look at is if this makes a little double top up here, because it's not far above.
You're getting a double top right now.
Still within that little. On the ES, I'm still in that little range. Again, those of you, if you want to keep an eye on the NQ and look at what Paul's talking about, just click on the gear icon and detach the screen, Coach Brian NQ, or click lock screen. Pretty simple. There's a gear icon next to Coach Brian NQ. You can lock it in there if you want to see my tick sensor screen, which I'm not doing anything on right now. I'm treating this little Paul's going to beat me if I don't treat the PA this PayPal account like a baby.
Don't.
So
trade it for real. Trade it for real. I can't get him to take it seriously.
Well, I told you I'm gonna take it serious. So to keep the beatings away, I will take it serious. So I'm gonna treat the.
I mean, if you do, you'll pass the main thing so quick it'll be ridiculous.
I know. I'm taking it serious. So if you don't see a lot of trades on Tick Century today, that's why. I'm still in Sim on the ES. I'm going to put the gold on sim next week and start trading gold with it, especially reversals. And then cash on my ES Tick Century next week. And obviously the PA is going to stay on the NQ for Tick Century. So you guys will know all that. I'll be using Tick Century next week for all three of those assets. And then again, I'll still manually trade on my main market analysis ES screen. All right. Double top on the ES. Somewhat of a double top on the NQ.
Yep. It's coming back now.
Maybe look for one little trade. This is setting up a little bit cleaner than the previous ones. So this probably won't run like the other one, but nice. That's the way to do it, buddy. All right. Now we got PBR and Isaac done. We get one more done. I'll give you guys gongs. A couple other people done. We'll give you a gong. Get green, get gonged, get gone. Good job, guys. See you Monday, Isaac. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to front run us before you get a perfect trade. I'm not going to jump into this, though. If you pick green, take that as a long, guys, on the ES.
I am long on the ES.
Jawcap, can I tell them what we're talking about for Tuesday? You mind? I think it'd be fun. Guys, Jawcap has volunteered to teach class on Tuesday. And Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, he will be teaching a small segment in the Premier Clubhouse. You're not going to want to miss it. The guy knows his stuff, and he does it well. Be there, or don't be square. Just don't come back. No, just kidding. Be there. He's good at what he does. He's a great teacher. Really, really simplifies things. Different way to hear things other than coming from my mouth or Paul's mouth. And I think you guys should. I'm pushing him. I'm pushing him in that direction, Tom. I'm pushing him. I think that's going to be the way we get it done. So be there Tuesday, guys. Tuesday, 11 a.m. or as soon as we close the main session, Tuesday. Mr. Jawcap will be your instructor. We will have planned out the lesson. It will be on his way of finding love, which is different. It's not different from ours, but it's a much more concise, easier way to line your levels up across the board. I love it. It's a really cool way. But he's going to go through and teach levels, and then he's going to show his way of finding the strongest level, which is awesome. So if you guys want to do that, be there. If you don't want to become a professional, don't be there. But I would be there if I were you. I'm actually adopting his way of teaching it after Tuesday. Because it's just simpler, and I like that. Anything to make things simpler for people, I'm all about. It is definitely organized and comprehensive. That's for sure, Tom. It's a really guys. I'm telling you, you guys going to be there? Who else is going to be there other than me and Tom? Tuesday
like to be
for
there.
Class. I would say everybody should be there. Everybody should be there. This is good stuff. If you didn't get levels the way I teach it, and you want a simpler way to do it, be there, people. Be there, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, be there.
Ladies and germs.
Everybody's like, I need a trade right now. I'm like, well, and I'm sitting here thinking I'm going to wait till Powell starts talking before I trade now, which was my original plan anyway this morning. I have no regrets on any of this stuff. I have no regrets on missing the big runner that they got this early this morning. None whatsoever. You got to be willing to miss those big ones, guys. As a professional, you're not going to get everyone. You're not going to hit home runs all day, every day. You're just not going to do it. There's going to be days where everybody here is making thousands of dollars and you make 300. So what? That can't affect you. You have to have that emotional capital that says, nope, I'm green. Who cares? I don't care what anybody else is. $30, $300, $3,000, $30,000 in a day. I don't care. whatever your threshold is, be happy with it. You got to be happy with that. The day you can be happy with that every single day is a day that you're going to grow as a trader, and you'll get those $3,000 days, not the $300 days. It's like I was talking about earlier. While I'm waiting on Paul to talk, I'm just running my mouth, guys. It's like I was talking about earlier. Just you've got to understand. There's times when you're going to be in tune with the market. There's going to be times when you're not in tune with the market. That's okay. And there's going to be times where the market, when you're in tune with the market, the market's going to give you everything you ask for from a trading standpoint. You take advantage of those times. There's going to be times where the market's blazing up or down, and you're not in tune, and you got to understand that you're not in tune, and you take your little win and move on. Pass on the big stuff. That's just life. That's trading. That's just the way it works. This is setting up for a really nice long, but I've got to stick my guns here and say I'm gonna wait until after Powell comes on because it's too close. Setting up for extremely nice long, but just gonna wait. It'd be cool if it came back to where it came from. That'd be cool. Settle in around that 2 or 3 on 6402 or 3 on the ES, maybe around 4. Did you not hear me call the gold short, Tom? Did you not hear me call that gold short earlier? That's the one I would like, and it was off your level too. Oh dang! I don't think I would touch it before Powell right now, and I don't think I'd be looking at long after this kind of expansion on gold. Let me take a look. Yeah, you'd need it to be a little bit lower, like close to 374. I'm looking at something else as being a pretty decent little level here. Need some more data on that. I mean, when you get that kind of run up, I think you just wait with gold. You got to wait for the next move to happen. If anything, you break below 72.2, that's a short. If anything, Tom, if you break below 72.2, that's a short on gold. There's your W on the ES. But again, I think if you're prudent, you would wait until after Powell to get something done here. Holy crap.
Whoa. Hello. Hello. What was that all about?
His mouth just opened his mouth. Oh my goodness. We haven't seen something like that in a long time. That's cool. That's awesome. Now I have to do some work and update some zones. There was your second move on the news. Anybody trading the news, you know how to do that. Let's see if we get a third move.
Big delay.
I'll wait a second.
I got a big delay. I'm not touching this.
Swing back down. Oh crap! I do too.
I got like a 16-second delay. I cannot trade this. Got to stay out of it.
He walked on the stage. What did everybody be like? That's silly. There's your third move.
Wow.
So this news event played out pretty much like the news event we want. Just
what did he say? Did he quit? What did he say?
He just walked on stage.
Is that it?
Did he quit? He quit?
I don't know. I mean,
oh my goodness.
He had to have something happened.
Let's not be gamblers. Let's not chase this. Let's be gamblers.
No, don't chase it.
Adjust policy. That's it.
I can't.
I've got to update these zones. Oh, we need to figure out if we can get Hugo to get you my zones on the NQ. So
yeah, that would be nice.
I'm having stuff like this when stuff like this happens, especially. Here's comes a pullback. I'm not gonna be able to trade it. Got to get these zones updated for you guys. Let me get some upper zones first.
I just can't trade it
It
because
just
my
hit
lag
my
is huge.
I had a big area. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, I just see my clock and it's still way big time.
Yeah. My ES is back down to normal now. See if we can take a.
It's a reason for them to push it up and get some more of their long contracts off.
Oh, look at this thing go.
Speed that up. Well, there was your proper push back down, hook up 6 for the fourth wave of the news. Now we've got to look at you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. And as soon as this updates, I'll turn on the tick reversal auto trader, guys. I'm gonna turn on the long button on that. That way it just does it for me. Don't have to worry about catching up with whoa, why is there such a big gap between those two zones? What in the world is going on here? Why the zones aren't? All right, let's try this one more time. Update, unlock. You go there and stay there. Here we go. Jiminy Christmas. It was fun, interesting, all the like. Anybody get any piece of that? Travis, nice. You got 4,000 on that, Travis? Are you serious?
Oh, that'll mess up a prop fund quick. If it was
No
prop.
kidding. 328. Oh wow, nice job, Travis. Have too lit. Just calm down. I'm going for coffee. I would do that if I were you, Jim.
That's
Don't
smart.
get no FOMO. No more FOMO, people.
That is smart.
No more FOMO. Huh. You bought gold for 660, Tom? You made 660 on it? If you did, great job. Stop trading. I'm just trying to see what other people said. All right, see you, Lulu. Yeah, get out of here with your numbers. I'm just kidding. Great job, Lulu. Great job. I know. Oh, nice, Travis. Great job. Oh, all right. But you had to stop in, right, Tom? Obviously. All right, Justin. There you go, buddy. Getting some money. All right, nice. Okay, good, Tom. That's good stuff. I'm only 130 seconds behind, I think. Oh no, it came back to normal. Good. All right. Now I can trade again. Missed that. That first touch was the way to go there. Still can't understand why this is not missing. Zone's not updating on the other charts. Weird. I have one here. Look at my screen real quick. I have one on my coaches one. I have one at
where you at?
Between 51 and 55, 52 and 55.
I can't get any of these.
This is a bison coming in. So I have a zone there, but it's not there. So I finally just showed up, and I'm missing the long. I'm gonna try to take a. This should be a decent one. Oh, just missed it. I tried to get in it, guys, but oh well. Wait now. Just wait. Don't jump in late. Don't chase anything this morning. If you did it, that's a good little long. I literally was trying to say I got a zone there, all the good stuff. All the good stuff. Sacrificing. Anybody take the long? I was talking about it, and I was trying to get my zone to update, and that would have been perfect. Here you go. That's the trade I wanted.
Jeez.
I missed it.
Me too.
Gotta be this one. That is the trade I want. I literally tried to get over my screen fast enough to press a buy button. I couldn't do it. Hopefully somebody got that long. I was talking about it at least. I was flustered because my zone wasn't there, and I would have the auto trader would have grabbed it, and it would take me long. That's the whole reason I turned on the auto trader, so it could come down to the zone and give me the long trade. The whole reason. All right, we'll get the next one. If not, it's bull flag if you're big green, but I don't think that's an order with this kind of volatility. You got pretty high ATR right now, guys. So if you are not 100% good with your trades, meaning entries, do not trade this. Pretty high ATR, usually do not trade.